Hi, kids! Today we will learn which type of shapes can roll, slide, or can be stacked upon each other. So let's get started. This is rolling. Any object that has completely round curved surface can roll on any flat surface. Now, let's see a few shapes that can roll. Sphere can roll as it is curved all around. This is an ellipsoid. It can roll too, as it is curved all around. A cylinder can roll as it has one curved surface. This is a frustum. It can roll too, as it too has a curved surface. This is a torus shape. It can roll as it is round in shape and is curved all around. So kids, we learned what's rolling and a few shapes that can roll. Now, we will learn what's sliding. This is sliding. Any object that has at least one flat face can slide on any flat surface. Now, let's see shapes that can slide. This is a cube. It can slide as it has all flat faces. This is a cuboid. It can slide as it too has all flat faces. This is a prism. It can slide as it too has all flat faces. This is a pyramid. It too can slide, as it too has flat faces. Hemisphere. It can slide, as it has one flat face. Cone. Cone can slide, as it has one flat face at its bottom. This shape is frustum. It can also slide, as it has two flat faces, one on the top and one on the bottom. This is wedge shape. It can also slide, as it has all flat faces. So kids, we learned what's sliding and a few shapes that can slide. Now, we will learn what's stacking. This is stacking. That is keeping a thing on top of other thing. Any object that has at least one flat face can be stacked on top of any flat object. Now, let's see shapes that can be stacked. Cube. It can be stacked as it has all flat faces. Cuboid. It can also be stacked as it too has all flat faces. Prism. We can stack it on top of anything, but we cannot stack anything on a prism, as it has a pointed top. Pyramid. We can stack it on top of anything, but cannot stack anything on a pyramid, as it has a pointed top. hemisphere. We can stack it on top of anything, but cannot stack anything on a hemisphere, as it has a curved top. Cone. We can stack it on top of anything, but we cannot stack anything on a cone, as it has a pointed top. Frustum. Yes, we can stack frustum shapes as they have two flat faces. Rectangular prism. Yes, we can stack rectangular prisms as they have all flat faces. Cylinder can be stacked as it has flat faces both on top and bottom. Wedge. Yes, wedge shape can be stacked as it has flat faces. Kids, here is an exception. Here we have a torus shape, and it has no flat face, but they can be stacked upon each other. So kids, today we learned what is rolling, sliding, and stacking. Now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye. Tutway has thousands of animated videos on math, English, and science to clear the core basics of these subjects.